All right, so when we go ahead and program our NPCs to talk, you can go ahead and add any kind of wording that you want, right? Make them say what you want them to say. But I want you to follow the same structure as what I am outlining here for you, especially since this is our first RPG. This is our first this style of Roblox game. Why don't you go ahead and create the same game that I've created, and then once you finish, then you can go ahead and add additional functionality or different storylines if you want to. Okay, so let's go ahead and program that bartender. And the next thing we're going to do is program the store owner. And so let me go ahead and play this and show you how he behaves. And of course, this town here is like a ghost town, right? There's only a few people left in the town. And because of that, the store doesn't have all of the items that it usually has, right? And so the store owner kind of talks about that. Let's go ahead and click here. Howdy, still have a heavy pack I can sell you. It'll allow you to carry 4 more gold nuggets, and it's only $25, right? And I could say, don't need one, thanks. That ends the conversation. Or on the other hand, I can say yes, I do need one, right? And so the way that this game is set up is you can only buy one heavy pack. And so in this game here, my character already has one. So if he already has one, it says, okay, let me see if I can get that for you. And it says nope if he can't buy it. Okay, so it says nope if he can't buy it because he already has one. And it also says nope if he can't buy it because he doesn't have enough money. All right, and so so we got to program that. And so to start out, why don't you go ahead and program the dialogues with the dialogue choices of the shop owner, okay? And so what are the dialogue choices? Well, he's going to start out by saying this, and it's going to offer these 2 choices. This one here is the goodbye dialogue choice, right? So it's the automatic one. If you check on the, let me show you here. We'll go to town, go down to the store, and then we go down to the shop owner, go to the head, dialogue. I put all my characters inside of the different places that they're in, right? But in our game, we're putting them just right in workspace right here. And I think this is better. It's easier, right? The way I had it set up, it's a little bit confusing. You got to keep going into the different folders in order to get to the NPCs. So let's keep it like this, okay? But here, I'm going into the town to try to get to my store owner. And so I finally got to my shop owner, my store owner. I'm going into the head. I go to the dialogue, and you can see here it's howdy. Don't need one, thanks. And I also have my goodbye choice activated, right? And then from there, I have my buy choice, right? Just so you know, you can only carry one heavy pack, right? Let's see if I can get that for you, is what he's going to say. And what the choice is that the player can choose is I'll buy the heavy pack, right? So so that's what you want to add to the shop owner. And then we'll talk about how to get the shop owner to act differently based on how much money the character has.